What's up guys, is ijntek here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So we got a new leaks on the upcoming smartphone Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So far Samsung might just revive the S Pen with the Galaxy S22 Ultra after all, as Front Page Tech has obtained photos of what it claims are the first live photos of the apparently finished S22 Ultra, and it's effectively the new Galaxy Note. There's an S Pen, a slot to hold the stylus, and even a less rounded design reminiscent of Note's past. Unlike previous 3D renders, however, there's no P-shaped camera hump. Samsung reportedly needed a thicker design to accommodate the S Pen, allowing lenses that are far more flush with the body. You might have to forego significant camera upgrades, though a tipster on Twitter has suggested that the display of the unannounced Galaxy S22 Ultra will be flatter than the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra but aligning with the curved screen of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The smartphone is also tipped to have an improved camera experience. The S22 Ultra will supposedly still revolve around a 108MP main sensor joined by a 12MP ultra-wide shooter, a 10MP 3x telephoto cam, and a 10MP 10x telephoto. We'd treat those dates as tentative. No matter how reliable they are, the timing could easily change at this stage, but they hint the S21's January debut was more of a one-off than the start of a trend. If the leak is accurate, it helps explain Samsung's decision to skip a Galaxy Note update in 2021. The company wasn't so much killing the Note as moving it into the Galaxy S line. The company may reserve its summer phone launches for foldables like the Z Fold 3. While that may be a hassle if you've been patiently waiting for a new Note, it beats having to either give up built-in S Pen functionality or settling for a good enough optional equipment. As you can see on the leaked images, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra appears to have a hole-punch display with curved edges. A recent report, however, suggested that the new phone would come with a water-drop-style display notch. Alongside the leaked renders, a tipster who goes by pseudonym Ice Universe has claimed that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will come preloaded with the enhanced 108MP mode to capture better results. The source also suggested that the Galaxy S22 Ultra may feature a curvature on its display that would be similar to that of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It would, however, be less curved and flatter than one featured on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is speculated to be launched in February next year, according to John Prosser, who tweeted that Samsung will have an unpacked event for S21 Fe, January 4, 2022, no pre-order period available January 11, 2022, an unpacked event for S22 lineup February 8, 2022, pre-orders begin same day, available February 18, 2022. Well, is a great news as we have gotten the pre-launching date confirmed. Let me know what you think in the comment below, and please support this channel by subscribing, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.